guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank our subscribers. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. We got this in the dark mocha velvet brown colorway. So before we get unboxing, tell you the specs. We've got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's the US 9. So once again, Travis Scott and Jordan brand have worked together to release another hyped Air Jordan 1 Low. There's been tons that came out in the past year. The Canaries, and you have that medium olive, the reverse olive. Those two came out recently in regards to Air Jordan 1 Lows. So those came out in 2024. And also he's been very busy with his own Jumpman Jack, Travis Scott, Jordan, and like even the Mac Attacks that recently came out, the Travis Scott. So he's been a very, very busy man along with Jordan brand in a time where not many people are buying Jordans these days. You're not seeing a lot of hype around Jordan sales, like black cement freeze. Those are still sitting. You hate to see it, but Jordan brand can never go wrong if they slap on a Travis Scott. And to be fair, we have got a good pair for you, and let's go unboxing. So we did cheat because they come unlaced. So we did our lacing pre-hand, but you can see it right here. It does come with a set of different laces. You've got a darker brown and a pink. And here are the sneakers. So here they are, the typical Air Jordan 1 Low. Obviously they're the Travis Scott ones. I wasn't a big fan of them, to be honest. When they first came out, the silhouette, like the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low, but it kind of grew on me. Low cut trainers are having a field day at the minute, and they can't go wrong with the Air Jordan 1 Low, especially when Travis Scott's involved. So in typical fashion, they come with the Air Jordan 1 outsole, the radial finish, probably the best traction you can find on an Air Jordan. Midsole unit, so this is essentially a cup sole. It's all rubber all around. As the name suggests, with it being an Air Jordan 1, you've got an encapsulated air bubble inside. And the upper is where you can find all the Travis Scott detailing. So as always, with it being a Travis Scott Air Jordan 1, you've got the reverse swoosh. And it is covered in this velvet brown. It's essentially an oiled suede all around the sneaker. You can see it. The toe box is perforated, as a lot of Air Jordans are, and you kind of got this wax lacing. And as I mentioned, it comes in 2 other laces. There. The medial side is typically a normal Air Jordan, but you can see just underneath the swoosh, you can see the Cactus Jack logo. The tongue as well, so you can see these 2 different stitched on logos that are here. You got the Nike Air that you'll find in Air Jordan 1s, and then you got the Cactus Jack right there on the side. It's on both pairs, so you can't miss it. And looking at the heel, again, the sneaker is covered with oily suede, but you can see it's kind of hairy at the back here. Then you got the Cactus Jack logo and the typical Wings Air Jordan logo also. In the inside, it is a normal synthetic insole with a Travis Scott lettering inside, and then the other, on the left pair, you got the Jumpman logo. And that rounds off my review. Very simple, a bit easier, I think, than the others, but I think that's what, the canary yellow and the reverse medium olive, those ones, they had your contrasts. You can kind of, you can kind of match up any styles to this. This I mean, brown is the color. I'm seeing a lot of brown suede, especially coming into fashion. And to be fair, like Nike's hit gold, Jordan Brand's hit gold with this. I can see loads of people wearing like an all brown outfit to go along with this. And that's what Travis Scott has been doing. Obviously with that first Jordan 1 he did, it was like that brown colorway, and he's been hitting those neutrals, especially like a darker brown. I'm here for it. As I mentioned before, that's the kind of like silhouettes I'm seeing, that's the kind of colors I'm seeing people wear, they're on trend and in fashion. And you know, this is one to add to your collection if you're a Jordan fan or sneakerhead. I mean, a lot of hype beasts have jumped onto it, obviously because it's being Travis Scott. But if you are, you know, just a normal person, this is great colors to have. I know me saying that it was a bit loaded because typically you have to be in the know to get a pair of Travis Scott Air Jordans, and unless you're willing to pay the resale, can't really get it. But if you're fortunate enough to get a pair, I can see people wearing like some darker tones to really match the sneaker. That rounds off my review. Let's show you the on feet. Unfortunately for you guys, I'm not wearing any darker tones, so forgive me. So I want to apologize first before we try them on. I'm not wearing the best outfit, so you know, allow me guys. But roll that footage of me trying these on. Apologies guys, this is not the best outfit, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have my brown trousers in the studio here today with me, so apologies. So there's a bit of a clash, so you know, don't flame me in the comments, please. I get it, but unfortunately this is not my typical Jordan size. So these are big. I typically wear a UK size 7.5. This is UK size 8. They should fit you if you go true to size, but this obviously, because this is a half size bigger than what I usually wear, there's a lot of room, there's space. Again, really easy to wear. If I had some darker colors, it will look really dope, or like some jeans, it will look really cool. So very big into, you know, the Travis Scott low cut sneaker. Obviously there's a lot of hype around it, as there will be with any Travis Scott Air Jordan. But if you're able to get a pair, it's a nice pair to have in your collection, and you know, you'll just make other hype beasts jealous. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.